Understanding seed phrases. The key to your crypto wallet. Hey everyone, welcome to Ideazoom Academy. What is a seed phrase? Imagine you have a secret treasure box where you store all your valuable items. But what happens if you lose the key? You can't open it, right? A seed phrase is like a master key to your crypto wallet. It is a list of 12, 18, or 24 random words that help you recover your wallet if you lose access. Without the seed phrase, you lose access to your crypto forever. Not even SafePal, Trust Wallet, or Binance can help you recover it. How does a seed phrase work? When you create a crypto wallet, like SafePal, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask, it gives you a seed phrase. This phrase is generated randomly and acts as a backup for your wallet. If you lose your phone or delete the wallet app, you can restore your wallet on a new device by entering your seed phrase. Warning! If someone else gets your seed phrase, they can steal all your funds. How to keep your seed phrase safe? Write it down on paper. Do not store it on your phone, computer, or cloud storage. Hackers can steal it. Use a metal backup. Some people use metal plates to engrave their seed phrase for extra security. Store it in a safe place. Keep it in a locked drawer, a safe, or a place only you can access. Do not take screenshots. Screenshots can be hacked, and cloud storage is not secure. Do not share it with anyone, not even with support agents or friends. No one should ever ask for your seed phrase. What if you lose your seed phrase? If you lose your seed phrase, you cannot recover your wallet. There is no customer support to help you. This is why keeping it safe is critical for protecting your crypto assets. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends to keep them safe in the crypto world.